Hello, kid. Today I am going to tell you a story about a beautiful forest. You know, once upon a time there lived a beautiful blue fish and a cute sweet deer in a big forest. They were best friends. Now, just like the land and the water cannot meet, similarly, the fish and the deer could not meet as well. See, when the deer used to come to drink water, the fish used to look at it, but they were very sad. They could not meet at all. Why do you think their story is so sad? That although both of them lived in the same jungle, still both of them could not meet. Do you know why? Well, it's because the deer was adapted to live on land. And the pretty blue fish was adapted to live in water. So, the deer could not come in the water and the fish could not go on the land. So, the poor deer and the fish could not meet. Now, just like the animals we saw, like the deer who was adapted to live on land and the fish who was adapted to live in water. Similarly, there are plants as well who have adaptations. Some of them are adapted to live on land and some of them are adapted to live in water. If you see over here clearly, these plants are adapted to live on the land. See, all of them are on the ground. So these plants like to live on land, just like the deer. And if you see these plants, these are adapted to live in the water, just like the fish. So, we saw some plants are adapted to live on land and some plants are adapted to live in water. Now, what are these plants called? Well, the plants who love to live on land are called terrestrial plants. What is it called? It's known as terrestrial plants. And these plants cannot live in water. So, if you pluck a plant from the land and put it inside the water, what will happen? Well, it will die. Similarly, if you see over here, these are the plants which live in water. These are known as aquatic plants because they love to live in water. Now, what will happen if you take this plant from water and put it on land? In the same way, this plant will also die. So, I have a question for you. Which of the following is an aquatic plant? Is it option 1, mango, or option 2, lotus? Let me tell you. Well, mango is a plant who likes to live on land. So, mango is terrestrial plant. So, it does not live in water. So, mango is a wrong option. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is lotus because it is an aquatic plant and it stays on water. Now, when you go to swimming, I'm sure you have seen these things. What are these? These are the swimming gear. These are required to be put on when you go for swimming. Why? Because these help you to swim properly in water, right? Similarly, plants who stay on water like the lotus have got special leaves and roots. See, like the leaves float on the water and the roots are stuck at the bottom of the pond, which give support to the plants. So, these plants have got special leaves and roots. Now, what do you do when you want to go for a morning walk? Do you put on the swimming gear which you had put on for swimming? Not really, right? So, what do you put on? You put on walking shoes, because these help you to walk properly while you are doing your morning walk. So, this is the perfect thing when you want to go for a morning walk. Now, you saw, just like your activities are different, similarly, the things required during the activity are also different. Now, look over here. These roots and leaves are of terrestrial plants. Do you see over here? These are so very different from that of aquatic plants. Do you know why? Because these help these terrestrial plants to live on land. They help them to stand firmly. So, just like the deer and fish were different as they had different adaptations, similarly, the roots and leaves are also different in aquatic plants as well as terrestrial plants. So, now you see, depending on the adaptations, plants also have different features like the roots and leaves, and they are different for terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.